welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexandria. I shouldn't say I just woke up because I literally did not just wake up. It is like 11, no, it's actually 10:45 a.m. right now, but I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along with me. We gotta go to Target, and then I think I'm gonna run by Starbucks and get a drink. So let's go ahead and get ready. But if you guys are new around here, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I post every single Wednesday, and give this video a like if you end up enjoying it. My husband and I and dog just moved to Florida for a 9-month lease before we buy our next home back in the Midwest. So yeah, we just thought it'd be fun to work from home down here and get a little bit of a different change of pace, different atmosphere. And we've always wanted to live in Florida, but we really didn't want to move permanently because we have so much family and friends back home in Illinois in the Midwest. So this is just like a 9-month vacation. So I'm gonna be vlogging a lot of it because yeah, I don't know, I just enjoy it. I feel more creative in a different environment. I don't know, it's crazy, but I just do. So I've been literally vlogging on my TikTok every day. So leaving my TikTok right here. Make sure you guys follow along there. But that's enough rambling. Let's go ahead and get my makeup and get ready. See, the thing about moving into a whole new space is you have to get into your routine and find where you put everything when you were unpacking. So I definitely feel like I don't want to do too much makeup just because we don't have a lot going on. Today, I'm just gonna run some errands and then maybe I want to film a little bit of content, but I'm not used to it being so hot here, or just being hot, especially in December. I'm used to 20-30 degree weather, and I'm in shorts right now. I don't know if you guys can tell. Okay, I'm in biker shorts right now and then a sweatshirt. This is part of a sweat set that I got at Shein. I will link it down below in the description box. I talked about it in my last vlog, but I am so hot right now. I think I'll have to put a t-shirt on. And I can't believe it. It just makes me so happy because the weather back home is terrible, and the Florida weather, I'm gonna have to get used to it because it's already humid, and that's crazy for me. So I actually ran out of primer, so I feel like I might try to find some at Target. So I'm not gonna be doing primer, but I feel like since it is humid and it's humid in the air down here, it's a lot better for my skin because I was just feeling really dry back at home, and now it is so nice to have some moisture in the air so I don't have to run my humidifier constantly. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup. I self-tanned last night, so I'm feeling a little bit better and not pale. I don't know about you guys, but I just feel like when I'm pale, I don't feel and look my best. So when I self-tan, I just feel a lot better about myself. So I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows a little bit. So like I said, I'm also vlogging on my TikTok. So I'm gonna go ahead and film you guys from this angle. That was so funny. I have the whole setup. Okay, so this is what you guys look like right now. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little concealer under my eyes so I don't look as tired. I've always wanted to get filler under my eyes, but I'm a little scared because one day I was researching it and there have been so many horror stories that I've seen. I'm okay, maybe I'll just deal with my under eye bags, it's fine. Also, the feeling of a new beauty blender is unmatched. My skin is feeling extra glowy today, and I don't know why. I think it's just this new atmosphere. Let's go ahead and curl my lashes. So a beauty hack that I absolutely love is if you don't want to put mascara on, I just curl my lashes and it adds a little bit of oomph. So it kind of looks like you have something going on if you have mascara on, but you actually don't. So it's my little hack. It just kind of brightens up your eyes. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, I said I wasn't gonna put mascara on, but this is a new Maneater Tarte mascara and I kind of want to use it. So I'm gonna use it. I'm just gonna put a little bit on because like I said, I'm gonna film a little bit of content later on. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of it. Ooh, new beauty blender, new mascara. Who is she? Okay, for my hair, I think I'm just going to kind of slick it back a little bit. I'm not going to use any gel because I just washed my hair last night. And if you ever use gel in your hair, you know that there's no going back after you put gel in your hair. And I will literally have to wash my hair probably today or tomorrow because I would just hate the feeling. So I'm just going to do a little ponytail, just sleek, cute, maybe put some earrings in. And I think that's going to be the look. And put a t-shirt on because I am hot right now. I either look like a Floridian or a tourist. Which one? Hello. Hello. Hi, girl. We're setting up YouTube TV in our apartment. I'm not gonna lie when I say I am thrilled. I just pulled up to Target and there is a Forever 21 and a Lizard Thicket and basically like a whole outdoor mall next to this Target. And it's less than like 10 minutes from our complex. I am living, you guys. When I say I'm living, I am living, because back at home in Illinois, there was nothing that I could get to. Like the nearest Target and the grocery stores were like 20 minutes away. So to drive less than 10 minutes to go to a Target is amazing. So let's go in there and see what I can find. So I'm in line at Starbucks and I don't think I'm gonna get coffee. It is almost 1 o'clock and I kind of just want something that's like refreshing. So I might get a tea if they have the peach green tea, or a refresher. I don't think I've ever had a refresher here, so I might get that. I don't know, it'll be like a spur in the moment type thing, so we'll see. This is taking forever today. Okay, fingers crossed they have their peach green tea. Please, 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 please.
Welcome to Starbucks. I can have tea today.
Hi, yeah, do you have your peach green tea by chance?
You got it. Would that be all?
Yes, that'll be it. Happy gal. Thank you. Perfect, thanks.
Have a good day.
You too. Perfect. Hi you guys, so we are currently sitting on our back patio. We sit here all the time and we're just browsing, just like trying to find where we want to go on our honeymoon. So we're thinking about doing a little honeymoon in February, and now that we like live at the beach, we like don't know if we want to go somewhere warm. Like we don't know if we want to like go to the beach from like living on the beach. So we're like, it would be fun to do like a winter trip. We thought about skiing because we're both into snow skiing, and then also maybe like New York City because there's a lot of fun things to do, a lot of like eating and drinking and stuff. But like, I don't know, it's just so hard to decide. So if you have any like recommendations for honeymoons that are kind of like maybe in the US, maybe the Caribbean for like 4 days, 5 days, let me know, leave a comment, because we really can't decide at all. Hello you guys, I am back inside now and I just wanted to kind of like sit down and chat with you guys for a few minutes, but I just feel like I am like in a dream right now. So like I had been talking about in my videos, in this video, my husband and I and dog moved to Florida for a 9-month lease while we're in between houses in the Midwest. So basically we sold our house, our fixer-upper house that we had been working on for the last 2 years, and sold that. And then we were kind of like, well, we both work from home. We don't have any other ties besides family and friends. They're all healthy and we just have a dog. So basically we're like, we've always wanted to live in Florida. We didn't want to wait for retirement because I feel like so many times in life you kind of just say, oh, I'm gonna do that later on, or I'll do that after this or after that. And if we want to have kids in a few years, like I know I'm never gonna move to Florida after that. And honestly, I don't believe in waiting for things. I believe if you want to do it, you have to do it now, because you only live once, and that is such a huge thing like to keep in mind. And it's just such a big concept because so many people wait for this time or wait for this time, and sometimes like that time never happens. So I know if we didn't do this, we would never do it. And we didn't want the commitment of buying property here in Florida because we don't think we want to be here indefinitely. Maybe not like at this time in our life in our 20s, maybe like when we're older and we're looking to retire or something, but we didn't want to move here indefinitely. We just wanted to move here like temporarily. So we're like, let's let's go sign a lease before we buy our next house in the Midwest. And I think that was the best option for us. And our family and friends are all back home, and we just couldn't like see like leaving them for good, if you know what I mean. So it's just such a crazy situation because I'm just like so grateful to be here, and it's such a different way of life down here, and people live a lot differently. Things are slower, and I'm so excited to like enjoy that part of it and like kind of have this new experience that I've never had before, because we've both never moved out of state, and we thought this is literally the perfect time. We both work from home, why not? So I'm excited to take you guys along this journey with us, so make sure you follow along. I already feel more inspired and more creative living in an environment like this. I don't know if it's the climate or just like the different atmosphere. I don't know what it is, maybe the excitement. So I'm super excited to take you guys along with me in all these vlogs. But I think I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys liked it, make sure you hit the like button and comment for any video requests. And I do post every single Wednesday, so make sure you subscribe and ring that bell as well. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.